In this video, we are going to learn how to use Canva to create infographic. So first, we tap in Canva Inforgraphic and then search it. The first one is where we will want to go, canva.com. Then you will need to log in if you already have an account, or sign up. Click sign up. We can sign up with our MSJ email address. Type in our name and the email address, and then type a password and click get started. Try Canva Pro. We can ignore this. We can skip this for now. Then infographic, you can find it here. We also can create other things with Canva. So we click infographic. Then we come to the design page. In this interface, we will see there are lots of templates, different kinds of templates. You can choose your template by scrolling here, or you can search your template here. For example, I'm going to use this one. There's one thing we need to be aware of. It says free here. That means you can use it for free. Most of them are free. But for example, this one, it doesn't show free in the corner. So that means we need to pay for it. So make sure it is free. We click it, search, and then we could edit the infographic template. I would like to make it bigger. Then we can edit everything on this template. If we select the text, we can change the font text size, the color, or even we can add effects on it. We also can change it to your text. Then we also can edit the images. We can change the size or delete it. We can add different photos. For example, here we want to add snow. Select here a little bit as a background. Make sure it is also free. Add it here. After we edit everything to make it our home, then we can download it. Click download. You can download as image or as a PDF. PDF is also always recommended. Click download. Then it will be downloaded on your computer. We also can share it by typing an email or print it. Okay, that's all. Feel free to try anything.